Vise is a long-haired German Shepherd mix, and we don't know what the mix is. She's very, very sociable. Sometimes I think she likes other people more than, well, not more than us, but she's very sociable, and I think we'll be walking down the street and some people walk by and she suddenly decides that they're kind of her herd and that they should stay with us even though they're strangers because she is a herding dog. Vise is the most wonderful dog in Westchester County, and yeah, as far as we're concerned, and we wanted to acknowledge her in some way. And she's 14, and I think it's time that she's given her due.